Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025. Top 10 winning tips, round 1 only season to get the top result from 900 to 995 out of 1000. This video gives very detailed guide and tips for CompXM step by step. I show you now. So you start the CompXM with 4 products here. You start CompXM with 4 products here. So remember, before we start setting decision, we need to find this which product is the trade product. And in order to understand, you need to check industry condition report. So industry condition report is the first report to look at. You have 4 segments here: trip, core, nano, and elite. In that order, trip is the low cost, core medium, nano high price, and elite is the top price products, right? So we have 4 segments here: trip, core, nano, and elite, right? Remember. So tip number 1, you need to check industry condition report to find the 4 segments. And using table 3, you can use a free Excel file to calculate the sales forecast. You update the product, you have table 2 here and 4 rounds here for 4 segments. You see trip here, core here, nano, elite here. So you just input the number here into the game, but don't do that, because if you do that, you cannot sell very well. You need to update with the table 3 here each round. So using combination of table 2 and table 3 to update the product each round, or you can download the Excel file like this to calculate the sale, the R&D for 4 rounds. So you look at this, you see this is table 2 and this is table 2 combined with table 3. So you use this number, not this number in table 2, right? So remember, do not just use this number of table 2. You need to calculate using table 3 here for R&D. So I show you the details here. So you have R&D report, R&D screen like this, right? So you put the number here, right? Start from this one. You need to know which product is the trip and core. So the tip here, you open the report and click on the production. You see the report here, right? And then you see the trip here is number 3, and then core, and then nano, and then elite in that order. So again, do not copy the number, because number different from student to student, because this is exam. I show you the strategy, you understand it, and then you can apply for your CompXM. If you have any question, you can send me the email. But this is very simple, right? Just identify this is the trip one, and then you can update that using that. So the trip here 6.4, and then core here, you put the number from here to into the game, and nano here, right? You see the nano here, right? And then elite here. This is example. I say again, do not copy the number. You understand the strategy, and then you can do that with your game, right? So remember to check here industry condition report, and then check the career report, and then you can update R&D, right? If you have any questions, send me the email. And then you see the screen of R&D here. You add one new product in one segment. So trip here, core here, nano, and elite. And then you can double the game, double the sale and profit from next round. CompXM has 4 rounds only. And then we set the decision for the marketing. For the marketing here, you see the price 38. The price we start from here: trip, the low cost, right? Trip and core and nano and elite. The reason to set the price come from here. You have 4 segments here: trip here, and then you can see the price here, right? The price, the best selling price here. So you set the price, and then core here, you see the best selling price here, and then nano here, you see the best selling price here, and then you see the elite, the best selling products here. So you set the price 22, 30, 38, and 42. I show you again. Trip here, so you set the price around 22, right? And then for the core, you set 30, around 30, right? And then nano, you set a price around 38, and then elite, you set the price about 42, right? Top selling price. And you need to calculate we set the promotion and sale for the trip and core 2000, nano, elite, smaller size, so smaller market size. I show you one time more. So if you look at the trip here, you see the trip accounts for nearly 30%, and then core here, 35% of market share. Nano smaller, 20%, and elite smaller, right? 20%. So we set stronger in here. Next round we can use 2000 for all of them if you want. And now we calculate the sale forecast. So we check this one, the production here. We have the unit we sold from last round and inventory. Look at this one. So again, do not copy the number. learn the method, learn the strategy I'm showing you, and then you can apply with your game. So if you calculate that, you put into the game, you have the inventories and unit is shown here, and then you can multiple by the segment growth here, then you have the sales forecast here, you put into the game, and also you have the production. So the sales forecast here, right? You see, we put the sales forecast here, right, into the game. And then for the production here, production is very important, right? For production here, you have the Excel file to calculate the production here, right? You see that? And then you have added 4 new product, and from round 2, round 3 or 4 you get double sale and double profit. And then we can need to buy the new capacity for the new product, and set the automation here for 4, 6, 5, trip 6, call 5, and nano and lead 4. If you put them in the right order, easy for you to manage, and you check the total budget you have here. We use that all. Now decision for HR. For HR, we use a max budget for recruiting 5,000 and max training hour 80 hour to make sure we have the best workforce. And for the finance, in round 1 we need own the 3 sources of fund. So we issue the stock max 39,000, borrow long term 15, short term current debt 15,000, mean 50 million, right? And long term issue long term, right? So we keep around 50 million here to avoid any increase or emergency loan. The last decision is TQM. We put that here 1,000 for all of them. Now you can see the result, estimated result here. We have very high sales here. If you want to check, you check with the result last round we get only 160 for that, and now we get 195. We can increase that to 150, 300, and even 450 in later rounds. And contribution margin 35%, next round 40, next round 45, next round 50%, and then we get the good profit here. Next round we can double the profit because we are spending a lot of for promotion and sales here, right? And you can see the result here for round 1. We have very good sale and good profit here. This is 4 rounds, right? We have good sale and profit in first round for investment, and later round 3 and 4 we go up very fast. The stock price, right, go up very fast. So we invest in round 1 and round 2, and then we get the estimated top result here from 90 to 99%. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbacim.faris@gmail.com, right? Or get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1, or check the other video for all the top 10 winning tips of the 4 rounds, or check the video for the details of round 2, 3 and 4 in the other video. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.